Hey everyone, it's Tereese. I just wanted to come on real quick and say I am so sorry for my last video. I did not know why um, that noise came about. I I do not watch my videos after I post it, or even before I post it. So I apologize. That was crazy. I rewatched it and I had to delete it right away because it was just horrible. So that video I had made was I wanted to share Penny's thoughtfulness of sending me a birthday card, and on her envelope she had drew this mushrooms on the envelope, and I've already cut it out because I wanted to add it to my journal here, and I think I'm going to add the card, and I may do something with this and have it in my card or in my journal somewhere. So yeah, I'm so sorry guys. That was not my intention of having that kind of video on my channel, but so I'm coming on to thank Penny for thinking of me. My birthday is not until the ending of the month, but she went ahead and sent me a card anyway. Um, so, yeah. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I do want to announce that I will be doing more destashes of some of my Bigs dies and more stamps. I have an abundance of stamps and also Stampin' Up stamps. So if you guys are interested, keep an eye out for those coming up. I'm hopefully going to get those out sometime this week. I'm back to work, so my time is very limited, and I hope to get those out as soon as possible. So, yeah. So keep an eye out for that, and I will talk to you guys all later. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.